Look at that little piece left.
You and me will always be tight. Family every single day and night. Even when you stop acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do. I know that I can always be myself. I love you more than anybody can. Every day as a man, not too cool. You know there's no one I love as much as you. Family, a family, proud family.
She open up, emotions are so high, I'm about to be floating up. You joking, I walk in the club and we chosen. The future bright, come spend the night, we'll be close friends. Burglar bar, she after dark, she stole my heart but she broken. And I cannot deny it, this new bed about to get broken. Her love is so hypnotic, I can't explain the state that we woke in.
What's up, brownies? We back with another mukbang.
Ooh, fried seed.
I want to eat.
All right, who's saying grace? And then we'll tell them what we got. All right, go Royal.
Thank you, Jesus, for our food, for Ryan, Ryan, Daddy, and Royal. Amen.
Hey, man, you
What about
lying.
mommy? You said your name twice. You didn't say thank you for mommy.
He said Roy Rain, Daddy
He
Roy.
said, yeah.
Okay.
All right, go ahead,
Okay,
Rain.
go ahead,
I know
Rain.
Rain got
For
it.
mommy
Mm-hmm.
and Royal and the baby. What? Amen.
Amen.
man,
She
you
forgot
pray
about
for
you.
That's all right. She prayed for the baby. That's all right.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. So we finna kill this food. Y'all can go ahead and dig in.
Yeah, go ahead.
I don't eat.
Go. That's what dig in means, buddy.
Not in your butt. So Rain got some green beans, which she's eating right now. Macaroni and cheese fries and one little hush puppy. I don't know if she's gonna eat it, but
Roy's got macaroni and cheese, some shrimp, and some French fries, and then his beloved ketchup on the side there. And then we have 3 lobster tails, some hush puppies, some frog legs on deck. I never had frog legs, so this is gonna be dope.
God, look at that.
Shrimp, gator tail, fried oysters, crab cakes, lemons, cheese grits. Yeah. I'm tripping. I'm hungry. All right, let's do this. You know what I'm saying?
What's fun?
I'm sorry, buddy. My elbow is all in your face.
Yeah, excuse me, Ryan. I need me a junk plate.
I can't. Mom can't eat.
It's on fire.
And then we got some sauce. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna try it. I'm sorry, baby.
That's for the gator tails.
Oh, where's your sauce?
Mm-hmm.
I'll stick it up. Ooh. Put it on top of something. Or like, don't, it's gonna melt, so just put
Yeah.
it.
I'm gonna put it here. Put it.
You can put it here. This ain't hot.
I'm afraid. Put it
Well,
on your side. I'll knock it down.
tell me when you ready for it, shoe.
I'm going now.
What? How you gonna
Get
dip
to-
it if it's on my
I'm
side?
gonna hold it.
So you need some fried shrimp, y'all?
Who bought
Pop them in your mouth.
Who bought this?
Who bit it? Nobody.
That was you.
What? I mean, I just took it apart. It fried together. What you think?
Yummy.
You have any hush puppy?
Oh, it's that lobster dip, ain't it?
They didn't give me no tartar sauce or nothing.
I ain't seen that. You like toss off with your hush puppies?
Yes, I do.
Really? You guys is fried bread, right? Y'all, I used to not like hush puppies until like probably like last year. No cap.
Y'all look at these lobsters. They look so good. Look at the seasoning. It's like they blackened. Ooh, wait, yes. Look at the sides.
Ooh.
All of them look just so sexy. Sorry, babe.
Wait a minute. Man, nobody tail look more sexy than me now.
Your tail.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
What's up with y'all and booties, man?
No, I stopped in the mouth that cow.
Okay.
I refuse it.
Your green beans good, baby?
In my experience, they be real good, but they just need a little bit of salt.
Hush puppy?
The greens. I mean the green beans.
Roy, you ain't talking. How your food, baby?
Good.
It's good?
Wait a minute.
He eat macaroni and
I
cheese.
thought you ain't like mac and cheese, boy.
I do.
Okay.
I do.
So,
We know you do, baby.
for those of y'all, my favorite fried seafood is oysters. Fried
Really?
oysters with hot sauce, yes. My favorite fried seafood is fried oysters.
I want to try fried, what do you think it's called? Fried lobster.
Now, tell what's your favorite fried seafood?
And
Hmm?
cheese cheese grits be so busting, man.
Oh my gosh, this place here.
Mama,
How you gotta taste it?
You know what time it is? Hey, oh, sweet for the same thing.
No, this Ryan told me she want more of
But
this.
what you know about this? Frankenstein cheese grits on the hush puppy though.
Yeah, we all got on hats because mommy didn't want to comb hair today. So,
Correct.
2, 3, 4, 5.
so nobody got their hair combed. And it is what it is.
Bruh. Bruh.
Yes.
Bruh. As in brownies.
These frogs are big.
They are. The hush puppies with the cheese grits.
Ooh, for real, it's good.
My goodness.
Yeah, Mom.
I'm just gonna dump mine.
Go ahead. Show me what you're working with.
It's so hot.
Ooh.
We're gonna make it new. Mine, watch that.
Ooh, boy, that's a pregnancy craving.
Hey.
All right, you done started something.
Ooh.
It's good.
That's hot,
Oh my
Mom.
gosh.
What?
It's not hot.
I told you.
It's good and hot.
Some good cheese grits with some nice sweet hush puppies.
Oh my goodness, that's good. Ooh, it's hot. Woohoo.
Right here. Can you say that again 2 times? And video.
Roy,
Yes,
you gotta say my
Mommy.
business. You're welcome, baby. Can I have sugar?
Yes.
That was a fail. We both tried to kiss each
Royal,
other.
Mommy.
Hmm?
Guess Royal.
Guess Royal?
Said kiss roll.
What?
Kiss Royal.
Oh. I can't reach Royal. Daddy's in the way.
I give it to him. Mwah.
Y'all haven't tried this lobster tail. But give me them that sauce over there.
I even said something else.
I was stuttering. Let's sit right now.
Y'all, I know frog legs and gator tails is not seafood, but
Yes, it is.
it's lake food.
They be, hold on, they be in water.
That's lake food.
All right, y'all. Here go. Y'all take the bite.
Ooh.
Ooh, we. Ooh,
Ooh. Come on.
Ooh, I might have to give it to you. Look,
Go
no,
ahead,
it looks like it. Go ahead, go ahead. You
no.
got it, you got it.
Come on, baby.
Come on,
I
baby,
don't
you got
wanna
it. You got it.
I don't want to
It
take
ain't enough sauce on it, is it?
No, I don't want to take your.
No, go ahead. There's more. Bite it. Oh my god. Why did I say, but look at that little piece left. Oh, y'all, I still ain't got my nails done. How was it? That sauce good on it or with no sauce?
It's so good.
Oh, yeah.
And tender.
Oh my goodness. Is there any more in here? Let me open it up. That was really tender.
Bruh.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
I'm sorry, baby.
But that's delicious.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Woo!
Daddy caught it. Okay, Nudie, you gonna have to eat something else besides hush puppies.
My legs quick.
Try my shrimp in here. Oh yeah, I got fried okra too.
Oh, that stuff.
Right here. Ryan, you should eat your green beans, okay?
You can't. You're not gonna get no more hush puppies until you eat the green beans. You understand?
Okay.
Usually I'm the only one eating hush puppies. I should have ordered more.
What hush puppy?
This right here.
It's when you tell a doggy to be quiet. I'm just kidding.
This right here. This is a hush puppy. That's like on lobster.
You know what this remind me of?
Mm.
In Italy, when
Or the appetizer we got, the bread balls.
when I brought you
Eat your things.
More cheese too.
macaroni and cheese,
Oh,
Yeah.
when I brought you them chicken nuggets,
oh yeah, you cooked some chicken nuggets. I was like, you made chocolate?
you made brownies.
Oh yeah, it was
Just-
brownies. That boy brought me some chicken nuggets. They were darker than this. I'm like, when you make brownies? The brownie bites. That man said it was nuggets. I don't even think I ate them, did I?
No, you did not eat it. I was still learning to cook at that time.
I feel green. Could have.
Now he'll beat y'all. You gotta eat that first, okay? I'm gonna say
Okay, well, no more hush puppies.
you can't just eat hush puppies. Eat some green
You
beans.
can have this is your treat. You can have a treat if you eat your green beans.
Crab cakes.
No,
They fine?
this.
Or you can eat macaroni.
Macaroni.
I know, right? They need some I wish I had like dipping sauce. You didn't give me none of dip, nothing. I want to dip.
Right there. You got a little too much.
Must dip on your chip.
Whoa, big.
But eating the left there.
You want me to eat that?
Mm-hmm.
So you don't want
It's 2.
it? It was 3 though.
Well, you ate the first one.
You love me a lot, don't you?
I really do. But they tempted now. You don't want to get a rubbery with the thing, so go ahead and eat them.
Big facts.
I'm so satisfied.
You know what? You
I'ma
can
have
put that
to-
in a little hot sauce
I'm
too.
gonna show the brownie what they look like.
Little hot sauce, little a lobster cream dip. I don't know. That's just what it looked like.
Ooh, Rick, the way you about to eat them already, like, that just looks so good. Ooh, we done made us one bite though. Well, you just ate $10 just like that, and one bite. It's good.
Macaroni.
Macaroni.
I got macaroni.
Yeah, I made the half a round. I'm like, she want to hat on, it can't fit.
Puppies.
What was that? What puppies? Oh, hush puppies.
Oh, she said poppies. I'm like,
I'm
okay.
like,
now,
no, we don't.
What
No,
you
we
know about poppies
I
out
got
here?
puppies. Can I dip it on this?
Of course, baby.
Yay.
Go ahead. Go ahead and dip it.
She been jammed up right in your cheese grip.
That's fine. And scoop it, baby. You got. Ooh, you got to blow. Look, it's hot.
It's hot.
Blow that.
She'll put that mug straight in her face.
Oh no, let me touch it, girl. Ooh, that's hot. Blow it some more. Blow it some more. Girl, look at what you're doing. I don't want you to burn your mouth. All
Hey,
right,
babe.
it should be okay now. Lick it first.
Is it good?
Yeah.
You eating over there.
It's okay?
You
Go
quiet.
ahead. Go ahead and eat it.
I do hot
It was a little hot. And I'm gonna get you some of my cheese grits. Y'all make sure y'all go check out Rain's channel. She just uploaded a haul. Then the Rain say, check out my channel.
And it's just as extra as she is. Okay?
Yeah.
She is. Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Howdy.
What you doing down there, girl?
Rain.
Howdy.
She didn't squat it. Look, babe, you can't see her face no more.
I was 4 minutes.
She wanna sit on my thing instead of her chair.
He's talking to you.
It's good like she blowing bubbles. No.
Huh?
Is it good?
She blowing bubbles like Squidward.
She dipping her fries in cheese grits. I'm about to taste that because it look like these cheese grits taste good on everything.
Oh my gosh.
Let me taste it. Babe, that ain't bad. Try to fry with it. I'm not dip my shrimp. I'm gonna dip everything in the cheese grits.
Baby, that's not yummy. I don't.
Ooh, we done lost the baby. Well, I heard grits and it flew over here. You done lost your grits too. You have to sit in your own chair, mama.
That is good.
Ain't it?
What in the world? Almost lost you there, didn't I?
I almost lost you today, didn't I? What?
So
Scissors.
we've confirmed that grits is now a condiment.
Correct.
That would look so good. I'm gonna get mine.
It is. It's cold and everything. Lord have mercy.
Ooh, yeah, I wanted some of them green beans.
Oh, my fault.
Somebody get
Apologize.
the green.
You had a fried leg? Yeah, I want to watch you eat it. I ain't,
I'll eat it right now.
I ain't tasting it.
Here we go.
Hey, don't it taste like gamey?
Let me have one. Here we go, y'all. I'm concerned. Little hot sauce.
Man, I want something creamy on this crab.
Fix everything. Here we go. Frog leg, first time.
How is it? Is it like fishy almost? Is it gamey?
It's like fishy or chicken.
Ew.
It's not bad, but I don't like the sliminess.
Is it like if you fried chicken and fish grease, or is it worse?
No, it's not. It's not like that at all. What I mean is the flakiness of the meat it's more flaky like how fish would be, but then it's kind of got like a long lean thing going like how dark meat chicken would be.
You want half of this? I kind of want. What's this?
Hot sauce. Baby girl, why don't you eat it?
I ain't get half of
I
it.
don't like the sliminess of the And maybe that's just because I know it's a frog. Yeah.
Yeah, you done with it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I need a little more of this.
And I like to give things a chance, y'all.
Ooh, y'all.
Go ahead. Get that. Ooh, girl. You don't need to do that no more.
What's wrong? Ooh, that hot sauce was good.
I'm telling you.
Oh my goodness.
I'm telling you.
My last bite.
I want to see you eat it on the low.
Do you want it or not?
You eat it.
You sure you don't want it, baby?
No. You eat it. You
You can have it.
You eat it.
I promise you can have it.
I want you to eat it.
Oh. I want you to eat it though.
I want you to eat it.
No, for real. I'm getting full.
I want you to eat it.
You eat it. Why you want me to eat it?
Ooh, wee. Lord have mercy.
Golly.
Okay, video over.
Oh, that's so good.
So good.
I'll put my legs on you, baby.
Okay.
I need hot sauce. Blah, blah.
Oh,
Up,
really?
blah, blah. Up, blah, blah.
That red house,
hot
that
sauce.
Frank's red house hot sauce so
I
good.
need hot sauce.
You need hot sauce.
Something feel.
Rain, you don't even eat hot sauce. Buddy, I'm going to give you a little bit. But that's it. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
All right. I know you like hot sauce, but you be acting funny, man. I
There's nothing.
I don't know what your deal is.
Mommy, can you give me the hot sauce?
You do some more cheese grits.
Cheese grits?
Man, but I'm not giving you hot sauce because you are dramatic.
Got it? Whoa.
Ooh, you ain't blow that?
Mm-hmm.
Girl, the worst thing you can have in your mouth that's hot is something sticky like cheese grits.
Oh, my God.
You ain't getting it out your mouth. You might as well just sit there and take it like a G.
Hey, you're
Take them 3rd-degree burns.
Ooh, this was so good, babe. Such a good suggestion.
Ooh, girl.
Bing bong, bing bong.
But good. Did you try that? What did you make?
Mine.
You
I
ain't
forgot.
eating that.
Forgot about it.
Mommy, more
More what?
of that.
You want more mac and cheese?
No.
What
this.
about the green bean? Give me one.
Give me one. You
They
can
cold
take
now.
This one.
No, I don't want to try that one. You ain't really eating, so I expected royal
No, I
wheat.
want more of this.
My cheese grits.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna just let you have them.
You not going to eat
I was, but she ain't eating that.
them? Eat mine.
Hey,
Fine.
you want some? You
I
can have
need
some
more
of these.
cheese.
I'm about getting full.
Cheese.
Macaroni and cheese.
Golly, boy.
Yeah,
Good thing we got some more.
You know,
I want more cheese.
Here you go.
it's called what is it called?
Cheese grits.
Nope. That's cheese grits. What is this? Say macaroni
Macaroni
and
cheese.
cheese. Yes, good job.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm slowing down, huh?
Yep. His crab cakes over here. Y'all want? Anybody want some crab cakes? That's why
What's
my
your
That's why my I was in Baltimore and my friend was like, "You ain't never had no crab cakes?" I was like, "No." She's like, "Really?" She took me to the spot and I had to eat crab cakes.
But best crab cakes,
Where?
Ruth's Chris.
I don't know. They say Baltimore got the best crab cakes.
They gotta prove that. They gotta prove that. Prove they could beat Ruth's Chris now.
Y'all eat okra? Don't you answer.
I ain't gonna tell them what okra tastes like.
Naveen, you still did what I told you not to do.
That's like chewing the cud.
Oh.
Only people eat okra is camels.
You going to your wife a camel?
Even the shoe
The
fit.
water can drop something in water.
What?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah?
Yeah.
What did you say?
It was in my legs and it peeled out and the bond did that. More cheese grits.
But
Or this.
Good.
what are you talking about?
She trying to eat mine now. The ones you just gave me.
Mama.
Huh?
We gotta call Granddad to tell him to make you some cheese, shrimp,
Right.
and grits. Okay, they gonna be for me too.
You know
Wanna
that.
try it?
Oh!
Got it.
Singing the Sierra song.
How it go?
Come on, man. Supersonic.
Hypnotic, fucking fresh with my body, so I'm gonna let this beat go right through my chest. Boom, boom. Get into it, get into it, get into it.
Hey,
Oh,
hey,
oh.
hey.
I want hash puppy.
Roy, you don't like hush puppy. You're gonna take a bite and waste it. You don't like them.
I
Correct.
like raspberry.
Yeah, I do too.
Ugh.
Your little crunch is the cutest.
I know.
Crunchy.
Say, welcome to the mukbang. What?
Right.
Where it say, welcome to the mukbang.
Welcome to the mukbang. That was the mukbang.
You saving all your energy for your channel, huh? Come here, mama.
Welcome to
Alright,
the
you say y'all finna steal all my content.
Amazon.
You wanna know the truth?
Turn my headphone down a
Go,
little bit.
Dan.
Yeah.
For so many Oh, how much money you got? How many problems you got? How many people done doubted you? Left you out the rock. Alexa, stop. Alexa.
Alexa! Stop, please.
Alexa, you trust this woman?
She better. She live in my house. Yeah, dog it. What, y'all done?
Y'all, my dad was in college. He went out to eat with his friends. They went to this, seafood place or whatever. And he was like, I don't know what to get. Y'all just order something for me. And he went to the bathroom. Came back. They had ordered him. What they told him was fried chicken. Food showed up. It was frog legs, big ones. He didn't know because obviously it was fried. He just thought that it was just big chicken, chicken wings. He went to town on the thing. Basically finished his plate of food, and then they told him that they actually ordered him the frog legs, and now he is just so paranoid. Like he's a certain type of way about how he orders his chicken and where he gets it from and that kind of stuff because he don't want nobody to sneak frog legs in his food.
Well, he ate it. They must was good.
Yeah. And I said, I'm like, you ate it, and it was like.
For me, it should make you more open-minded. Not paranoid.
No. This is my dad we're talking about.
We ate good. Listen, look at my side, y'all. That's the most I ever ate in a mukbang.
Dog. Wait a minute.
Wait, Rain took my grits. That's it. I ate lobster tails. I ate a crab cake. Yeah, I don't like the way that look.
It's like a drumstick.
Like cartilage. Stop playing with it, babe. I'm about
It's
to.
like.
Y'all, my personal hairstylist come today. Ooh, so I'm finna be looking right. Ooh.
AKA her sister.
Y'all, I'm paying my sister to do my hair. And I have to sneak it because she feel like I shouldn't pay her. My thing is, like, when you supporting friends and family, and that's how they feed their family, you shouldn't let them do your hair or give you that service for free. Now, I understand a blessing or whatever you want to call it, but like, if you're going to pay Joe or Jane X amount of dollars to do your hair, why shouldn't you pay somebody that you know? You should want to support them more, if you ask me. Yeah, I was just trying to explain that to her. Like, I know I'm your sister, but you doing hair is how you feed your family. So I'm going to pay you the money. Mm-hmm. If you had a boutique, if I wanted to shop, I would spend money on somebody else. Like, you ain't practicing on my head. You a beast, and I'm going to pay you.
Right. Just how I see it. I feel like family or not, you should expect to pay because you love and want to support them in their grind. Mm-hmm. Also, you would spend that money with somebody else. So why are they more deserving than your family? But on another note, I feel like it's different when you come prepared to pay and they tell you it's on the house. You know what I'm saying? That's different. So like if you always pay for your hair, you know what I'm saying, and then it's like your family or somebody and they're like, pay me next time or something like that.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Or if it's like a mutual thing, let's say that, you have a family member that do hair, but you have another gift that they can use in exchange. So she'll do your hair and then you will throw her a baby shower or do the decorations for her baby shower or whatever. You just exchanging gifts. You know what I'm saying? Or like you got to babysit, but she's going to come over and... A
mutual exchange of services.
That's fine. But it's like, I feel like I'll be getting over on my sister because she's a beast at what she do and she's just my sister and she could do it for free. I'm not going to ask her for no discount. Actually, I had to trick her. So I was like, how much you charge for this? And normally she won't tell me. So I got it in a text message and that's what I'm going to pay her. I'm going to pay her what she charged other people. Because I want her to know that I support you, Right. Now, if she wasn't good at what she do, then I might let her do it for free.
I'm like, okay, you need to practice.
Yeah, you using me for practice. You need to get better. But nah. Anyway.
You always lean on me. I'm leaning on you today.
Some ice cream.
No, she gonna say my head is heavy.
It is. That's like most of your body.
Hold it up right now.
It's heavy. Like, I can't believe his head is that doggone heavy. Like, he be hurting me. Like, look at these muscles. Show your muscles. He be cuddling me, and I have to move his cuddle because I was like, okay, man, I need to break your hand too heavy. Big old behind muscles.
Oh gosh.
Whew, but I think I'm done, baby. You got more to eat.
I think I might be comfort eating.
Oh, I could give you comfort. You don't have to eat.
Or I could.
Stop. Okay. Code word is whatever your favorite thing was to eat today.
Oysters.
That was your favorite? Mm-hmm. It tastes the best?
No, that's my favorite.
Let me taste it. Mine was a lobster.
You gotta decide the hot sauce.
Okay, go ahead. Put it in the hot sauce. I'm hungry. Nope.
Nope.
You don't like fried oysters. You eat from the hood. Especially, you don't eat the whole oyster.
Code phrase is fried oysters.
You ain't real.
Don't forget to like this video before you exit out. Fix your plate and let us know what you had on your plate with what we had. And yeah, subscribe if this is your second time watching our videos. And we love you, especially if you made it this far. We love you so much. All right. Peace.
And that's a wrap. Hope you have somebody in the back saying that. And cut. Good job, team.
All right. Naveen, make sure you pay your fake family for...
Don't forget, Shena, to exfoliate. We need those pores looking beautiful.
You know what's crazy?
What?
You got my name tattooed on you, so it'll be wild if people found out. Like,
it was fake.
Yeah, like this is dedicated, wasn't it?
What if I had a family, right? Before, like, a family where I was married before I paid y'all, and her name was Shena. And so I just paid you, and then we made your name like it was Shena.
That's impossible because she'll have 2 E's in her name. They're guaranteed.
Because that's what everybody assumes, that your name is spelled Shena with 2 E's. Yo, we be doing these doggone videos, y'all. I don't even be wanting to clean up, bro, for real. Like, and she just get her butt up and go something. She's like, all right, I'm going to bed or something. Well, I'm finna go get on the couch. She go lay on the couch and put her covers on.
We just be looking.
And be curled up, and I be sitting in them like this.
Cause even if I try to help you and I start like hurting, like my stomach hurting, you're like, go sit down, baby.
That's a fact.
And you gonna tell me to go sit down, didn't you?
I ain't saying it because you don't. I ain't saying it like, oh, she don't help me.
Oh, that's what it sound like.
I'm just saying it like, she don't help me. Not like on some malicious junk, just like you can't. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna be hurting. So I have to do it myself. And I don't be wanting to.
Well, don't do it.
I sure be wishing Roy's Rain was about 12.
I don't want her to clean up for a long time.
What? Excuse me? Why did I not know this?
I don't know.
We've been together too long for me to not have known this. You don't want them to clean up for a long time. You wildin'. You wildin'.